Hi students, today for the grade 4th and 5th, you are going to learn the new chapter called decimals. So in this chapter and especially in today's class, you are going to discuss what is decimals, what is decimal points, writing the decimal in words. Before that, what is decimals? You will say, sir, the point that will come in between the numbers is called decimal, sir. Is that like that? No. See, I will show you the logical definition. If you have like this 2.54, so it is the points that separates the whole part as well as the fraction part. The points that separates the whole part and the fraction part is called decimal, and this point is called as decimal point. So decimals is a thing or is a system that we use to separate the fraction as well as the whole part as well as the fraction part. In between there is a kind of a point, and that point is called as decimal point. Do you understand, students? What are decimals? Decimals are the thing or the system that separates the fraction part as well as the whole part. In between that point is called as decimal point. How do you pronounce or how do you write in words? How do you pronounce or how do you write in words? In order to make it clean, I am wiping out with this cloth. Yes. For example, I will be giving 33.527. See, one more student. Yes, you can write it as 33.527. This is how you can write it. And as well as you can write it as 5.62, 7.38, 89.91, 723. This is how you are going to write that in words. Understood, students? 33.527, 5.62, 7.38, 89.91, 702.23. This is how you are going to write it as what? Decimals. Done? Next, coming up for the next thing. How will you write it in the form of box? How will you write it in the form of box? I'll show you. For example, if you have like this a box, in that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes. You will be writing on this 10 boxes. Done? So now, I have been, I have been marked or colored in 2 boxes. You are going to write as 2. See, overall parts I am writing in the denominator. The marked or the colored part I am writing it in the numerator. This is writing the decimals in fractions. How will you convert that in fractions? Can you please look at that in the decimal? These fractions, how will you convert? In denominator, how many numbers you have? 2 numbers. So 1, 2 dash. Denominator, 2 numbers, 2 dash. Numerator, 1 number. That I am going to fill it from the right hand side. Numerator, 1 number I have written. The remaining dash numbers, hence 1, 2, 3 dashes. In the numerator, 3 numbers, 3, 2, 1. Now placing the point, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 1, 2 after 1. So this is how you are going to write this decimal, or you are going to convert this decimal in the fractions into decimals. So these are the introduction part that is common for both 4th standard as well as for the 5th standard. I shall give you the next notes in the next class or the next topic in the next class. Till then, take care.